Hi, my name is Lucy and I'm here to teach you an easy morning yoga routine. Now this is a version of what I do every single morning. I come outside barefoot on the earth to get the benefit of the earth's electrons, and I face east to get the sun's rays in my eyes to wake me up and give me good hormones for the day. So there's going to be a simple balancing posture in this routine. So if you think you might need it, you might want a chair or something similar nearby to support you. But otherwise, all you need is your own body, and we're going to be standing throughout. So bring your feet hip width apart and a soft bend in your knees. And we're going to start with some sun breaths. So breathing in, draw your arms up, letting your gaze follow them. Breathe out, draw your hands to your heart. Breathe in, spread your arms wide, bringing them up above your head. Breathe out, down the center line. Breathing in, bring your arms up. Breathe out, bringing your hands down to the center. Then we'll reverse that. So breathing in, draw your hands up the center line. Breathe out, arms down to the sides. Breathing in, up through center. Breathing out, bringing them down. And breathing in, up through center. Breathing out to bring them down. Now we'll reverse that again. Breathing in, coming up through center. Breathing out, down the front, and then interlink your hands and push them down, getting a stretch across the back of the shoulders. Breathe in to draw them up above your head, and breathe out to circle your wrists, bringing them down the sides. Clasp your hands and breathe out as you draw the shoulder blades together and look up at the sky. Breathe in to bring the hands up. Breathe out to draw them down through center. Clasp the fingers and press down. Breathe in to draw them up. Stretch up. Breathe out to twizzle the wrists as you draw them down. Breathe in as you clasp the fingers together behind your back and pull them down, getting a stretch across the front of the chest. And then one more time, breathing in, bring the hands up. Breathing out, draw the hands down the front of the body, clasp the fingers, and breathe in to press down. Breathe in to come up. Breathe out to circle the wrists as you come down the sides. Clasp the fingers and pull down at the back. And then breathe in to release. And then we're going to bring the hands to the hips, bring the feet slightly more than hip width apart, and start circling the hips in one direction. And we'll go round 5 times. So just count the number of times you're going round. And then when you're ready, reverse the direction of the circles. And pushing your hips out in each direction as far as is comfortable for you to do. Okay, and then come to standing, and then we're going to do some empty coat sleeves. So take your arms out to your side and start swinging your arms from side to side, coming onto your toes as you look in the opposite direction. And just do this a few times. This is lovely for loosening up the spine and loosening up the body. When you've done that a few times, come to stillness and bring your feet back hip width apart. Now we're going to come to a balancing now, so you can hold on to your chair if you find that helpful, or you can place your hands on your hips. So raise your right knee off the ground and start to circle your foot around and around and around. And we'll take 5 circles in each direction. When you're ready, reverse those circles. and then place the foot down on the ground, and then we'll switch to the other side. Breathing in, raise the knee and start circling the foot around and round, getting lubrication into the ankle. And then when you're ready, reverse the direction of those circles. And then bring the foot back down to the earth, and just notice how your ankles feel after those movements. Then we're going to bend our knees and bring our hands onto our kneecaps, and we're going to circle the knees. So we'll go 5 times each way. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll go back the other day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then come back up to standing. Just notice your knees. Now we're going to come into balancing again. So if you need your chair, then move to where you can hold on to it. We're going to place our hands on our hips if you don't need the chair, and draw the knee up. And then we're going to draw hip circles. So bringing the knee out to the side, we're just going to circle it round and just do circles as big or as small as is comfortable for you. And when you've done enough in one direction, circle back in the other direction. Beautiful. And then bring your foot back to the earth, and we'll move to the other side. So breathe in and start circling the knee. And then when you're ready, reverse the direction. And bring the foot back down to the earth. And just pause here, just noticing the joints, the hips, the knees, the ankles, and how you've loosened them up. Breathe in, draw the arms up over your head and clasp the left wrist with your right hand. And then we're going to lean over towards your right. Breathe into centre, swap the clasp with the hands, and breathe out to lean over. Breathe into centre, breathe out to come to the other side. Breathe into centre, breathe out to the side. Breathe into centre, one more time on each side. Breathe into centre. And then come to stretch up, look at the sky, and then circle your arms back behind you. Start to bend your knees and bring your hands to your thighs. And what we want to do here is get a relatively flat back. And we're going to take some cat-cow movements here. So breathe in, drop the belly and look forwards. Breathe out, curl the spine up towards the sky and look back towards your body. Breathe in to look forwards and drop the belly. Breathe out to raise the spine and look back. Breathe in to look forwards and breathe out to raise the spine. And then breathe in to bring your arms up and over your head. Now from here, you can let go of your breath, then breathe in and then turn to one side, look behind you, bend your knees as you bring your arms down. Breathe in to bring your hands up above your head and face the front. Breathe out to turn the other way, looking behind you. Breathe in to bring the arms above your head. Breathing out to twist. Breathing in, arms above your head. Breathing out to twist. Breathe in, above your head. Breathing out to twist. Breathing in, above your head. Breathing out to twist. Breathing in, above your head. And then breathe out to bring your hands by your side. And then bring your hands together at your heart and pause here. And bring to mind something that you are grateful for. whether that's the sun coming up every morning, the earth beneath your feet, or something else entirely. Take 3 deep breaths. May you be happy, healthy, peaceful and free. Namaste. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'm really pleased that you're here. Now, I do a version of this every single morning, and maybe you'd like to do that too. If you liked this video, please press like and leave a comment to let me know what you like about it. And if you'd like more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Lucy. Thank you so much for watching.